Hi fellow RVers, Micah and Judy here with having fun in our RV. We've only been doing this for going on a couple of years now, so we still consider ourselves kind of newbies at it. And I'm not here to really give you advice, but I can maybe share some advice that people have given me. And one of the things that's kind of odd that we've discovered along the way here in these first 2 years are the things that need to go in your toolbox. These are things that I've got a pretty extensive toolbox at home, but these are things that I would have never thought to just buy to have for spares or in my toolbox or whatever, that you need whenever you're embarking on RVing. And so we're gonna start a series about these things, these tools, and we're gonna call it RV toolbox tips, okay? And so with that, let's go to today's RV toolbox tip. Okay, here's today's RV toolbox tip. Something that I would have ever thought about needing, that really, if you're gonna have an RV, you're gonna be towing an RV or something like this, you need this item. What is it? It's going to be electronic contact cleaner. It even kind of shows your connecting cables for your RV or trailer on the front of it. You have things in your RV that are exposed to weather. The connecting cables is one thing, and down underneath there's bus bars where cables are just kind of bolted to these bus bars and things, just right out in the open. Water and dirt and everything splashes on them. You got to have a way to be able to clean off these contacts, and there's a lot of contacts around in the RV that you might want to clean. This contact cleaner is a handy thing to have. Now, I don't carry it with me in the toolbox for the RV per se. I mean, not always, because I don't need it that much, but I certainly have it at home. This is an RV indispensable tool for cleaning those contacts. If you have lights that aren't working or something like that, look at your little contact wire down there underneath your bumper and see how dirty it is. Or some people advocate just every so often, at least once a year, depending on how much you use your RV, you just clean it off. You spray it, it washes it off, it evaporates or drips down or whatever, you're done. Electronic contact cleaner. Handy dandy thing, and I think a lot of RVers out there will tell you they swear by it. Item number 1 in our RV toolkit tips.